I got some good news and bad news. Salad and Go is not franchising. It's not a franchise. You can't own one in 2023. Good news, there are 3 alternatives that we've identified at Vetted Biz that you might want to check out. So those that aren't familiar with Salad and Go, Salad and Go is a drive-thru chain that sells wraps, salads, soups, and more. Currently operates only in Texas and Arizona, but has plans to expand outside these 2 states. Big things are in store for the chain as the ex-Wingstop CEO. You heard that right, Wingstop, a publicly traded company, market cap in the billions. The ex-CEO, Charlie Morrison, recently joined the chain as their CEO. So we expect big things. Right now, Salad and Go is not currently franchising. We'll keep you abreast if that changes. If you want to stay in the salad space, SaladWorks has been franchising for many years now. Their franchisees offer a variety of salads, sandwiches, wraps, paninis, other food items, beverages for lunch, dinner, catering, as well as take home, which they really push take home, as you can imagine, during the COVID pandemic. Minimum investment to open one up going to cost you about $200,000 and can go all the way up to $550,000. If you're investing $550,000 in a SaladWorks, it's probably going to be a long time to make your money back. 7, 8, 9+ years. If you're investing closer to $200,000, you can expect a much better payback period. Owning a SaladWorks is going to require you to pay a 6% royalty fee, 3% marketing. The 3% marketing is a little higher than the industry average. We also looked at some of the complaints, and particularly there was a group of franchisees representing about 20% of their total franchise network about 5 years back that complained and had a lawsuit against the franchisor, a formal complaint through their lawyers. I believe it was settled. It's definitely something to look into and ask SaladWorks, dig into their FDD or even the FDD back in 2018, 2019, 2020 to see exactly what happened. Wrapping up franchise fees, $30,000. And as of 2021, there were 85 locations across the United States, and they had 8 corporate locations. The Big Salad is next on the list. Fast casual style restaurant, offers soups, customer designed salads, sandwiches, soft drinks, other related items. Investment pretty similar, $269,000 up to $508,000. Owning the Big Salad franchise requires 6% royalty, 2% marketing fee, pretty standard. Franchise fee steep though. The franchise fee is $60,000, which is significantly higher for food and beverage. Usually it's more like 20, 30, 40,000 for a food and beverage concept. They have just 9 locations, including in some hospitals, non-traditional locations. Start of 2020, they had 10, they closed some. There's looks like a good turnaround as the franchisor has been bought out by a sophisticated owner operator. So looks like good things could be on the radar for the Big Salad. Next up, you have Grain & based in Tampa Bay, Florida. 12 locations, $170,000 up to $639,000 investment. Constantly shifting menu based on health trends. Solid unit level economics and pretty fast payback period if you're investing close to $200,000, $300,000. I'd not recommend investing $600,000 as it's going to take a long time to get your money back. And they've been franchising for 5 years now, since 2017. There you have it. Although you can't invest in a Salad and Go, we've presented 3 options, and there's a lot more on vettedbiz.com for you to check out healthy food concepts as well as salad specific concepts operating and seeking franchisees in the United States.